Malachite can be used with the heart chakra and also solar plexus. Malachite draws out. It's a very good stone to use if there are any issues that need to be drawn out, any toxins in the body, inflammation. It draws out, it brings to the surface. But you have to be careful with malachite, because not only will it draw out things that are within your physical body, but it's going to draw out things that are within your mental, emotional, and spiritual bodies as well. So malachite becomes a teacher. And if there are things within your mental, emotional, and spiritual self that need to be transformed, that need to be healed, malachite is going to bring them out, and you're going to experience them. You're going to feel them. So you may feel anger or fear or sadness or anxiety as you work with malachite. And if you don't know this about malachite, you'll be surprised and perhaps a little bit upset that malachite is not helping you feel the way you expect it to feel. But you have to understand that that's its job, is to show you what it is that you need to change. And then once you understand that, if you choose to work with malachite and observe and learn its lessons, it will open you as a beacon of light. So you'll be able to channel spiritual light beautifully after you complete your work with malachite. So this is a beautiful stone to use, but you have to understand how to use it.